Hello traders, welcome to our channel The Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing well. And now let's start the session. In this video I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and we'll look at what opportunities are in the tomorrow and which trade setups are expected to work in tomorrow. Okay, let's start the session. All right, let's have a look the economic calendar first. As we know, today there is a holiday, bank holiday of Australia and China. That's why you will see some less volatility in the markets and less movement in the market. And if we check the tomorrow calendar, uh, similarly tomorrow has no significant news of USA, but there is a news of GBP, that is claimant count change. It may provide some volatility on the GBP pairs, and hopefully tomorrow market will move slowly and we may see some less volume on market. And because we have a big news on Wednesday, that is inflation data and federal fund rates and speech of Fed members. That's why I hope tomorrow will less movement in market. So let's get start the analysis of gold and find the edge of trade. Okay, as you can see, let me delete first the drawing. Okay, as you can see, the market structure was bullish like this: higher high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low, then again higher high. Okay, and market nicely break the last support, that is the price 2352 level with momentum candles. That means this breakout is confirmed, and there is a change of character in this breakout. This is a change of character. Okay guys, so if you regularly watch my videos, you know how change of character are formed and how to trade them. Okay, if you're new in this channel, then okay, then let me explain once again how to work with change of character. Whenever market creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and like this structure, and break the last support with momentum candles, in that situation this will be our change of character. Okay, so after market formed change of character, we need to trade with the current trend. Okay, so what is the current trend? This is the previous trend that was bullish, and now change of character formed, that means it is a bearish trend. So we need to initiate sell position on this structure. Okay, so for joining this bearish trend, we have three positions to join this trend. The first position is this, and this is called support become resistance, that is SBR level. And the second is this is called change of Quasimodo level, QML level. And at last, this is a double top level. If market go back to this level and give some evidence, we initiate a sell from here. Okay, if market go back to this level and give some evidence, we may initiate sell from here also. This is the strategy of change of character. Similarly, when market change bearish to bullish and bullish to bearish, same strategy will work. Okay, so let's delete the drawing and let's look what the market did today. Okay, so this was our change of character, and as per the market structure strategy, now we have three positions to join this bearish trend. This is a bearish trend. For join this bearish trend, we have first level, that is support become resistance level from here. Okay, and the price is 2355 to 2358 level. Okay, and our second Quasimodo level is there. Okay, if market able to break this resistance, we again sell from this level. Okay, this is the Quasimodo level, and there is a supply too. Look the supply candles. Okay, so our first trade setup is sell from this level. This is 2355 level, and our second trade setup is this. This is 2376 to 80 level. Okay, so but this both setup will work after release of big news, that is inflation data and FOMC speech and federal fund rate decision. Okay, until then market may ranging in this zone. Okay, so for tomorrow we have a plan for initiating sell from this zone and buy from this zone. Okay, if we get the price at this level, we will initiate buy, and if we get the price at this level, we will initiate sell. Okay guys, so for finding the best trade setup, let's look the smaller time frame. As we know, there is no news in tomorrow, so we may trade in smaller time frame. If I shift to 30-minute or 15-minute frame, look what market doing. We have the first resistance at this level. Okay, this is 2312 to 14 level. If I get the price at this level, I will initiate sell. Okay, this is first trade setup for tomorrow or today. Okay, if I mark the structure, internal structure, look, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and expected a new high at this level. Okay, if I get the price at this level, 2312 to 2314 level, I'll initiate a sell. And I already actually put a limit at this level. Look, I already put a limit here. Already put a limit here. Okay, so this is our first trade setup. As per the market structure in 15-minute, this is our second trade setup. If market create new higher high at this level, then this support zone will work, that is 2300 level. If market unable to break this resistance and unable to create new high, in that case this support will not work. In that case, we'll initiate buy from this low, from this low, that is the level of 2287. Okay, try to understand what is our plan. If market able to create new high from this level to this level, we will initiate a sell from here. That is our first trade setup for today and tomorrow. If market unable to break this resistance, in that case, we will wait for this level. If we get the price here, we'll initiate buy from this price, that is 2288 and 87 price. If market create new high at this level, then our buy position from here. This is a price of 2300 to 2301. Okay. If market create new high at this level, and we will initiate sell up to this level, that is 2300, 120 pips approx. And after that, getting some evidence, we'll initiate a buy from here for next high. Okay. If market able to break this support, we may initiate a buy from here also. Okay. This all setups for today and tomorrow. So guys, wait for this setups only. Do not trade in the middle of this zones. Try to avoid over trading in gold. It is really harmful to your fund and your trading psychology. So always avoid to over trade in gold. So this all setups for today and tomorrow. So guys, nothing else today. I'll come back on tomorrow and discuss for next day CPI data and FOMC statements, and discuss for possible trades. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest contents, tips, and strategies that really help you to trade smarter and more profitable in Forex market. Okay. One thing more, if you like and comment on the videos, it's make me feel great and gives me motivation. So please keep liking and commenting. And of course, if you have any suggestion or feedback, mention it on our comment section. It will be really helpful to us. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video on Tuesday. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, guys.